All right. Now, one of the things I want you to know is how to identify network layer information through the data link, right? The frame itself. Well, the frame, as you can see in this picture right here, this is what it looks like. You have the starter frame, you have the addressing, and then right here, the type field. The type field. This is how you know what type of packets you're dealing with. All right. The type field, if it's a 0x, these are hex numbers, by the way. Anything you see 0x, that means it's a hex number. It's an IPv4 packet. It's an ARP packet. It's a reversal. Rarely see this because this really is not used anymore. A1-800 VLAN tag packet. Now with Mpls Unicast or Mpls multicast, and there's more. There's more type fields because we have IPv6, obviously. So it's going to be a different type field. But if you were to take, let's say, from Wireshark, or you bring down some monitoring tool from SolarWinds, all right, that will let you take a look at that, all right, you'll see that when you take a capture and you take it, drill down into the layer 2 information, you'll see the type field, and then based on these numbers, you'll know what network layer information you are looking at, all right? But here's what you see, all right? And everything's in the header. Everything's in the header. So the type field is in the header, all right? Now the frame check sequence is right here in the trailer. That's where it does all the frame check sequence stuff, all right? It's all over here. So if something's wrong, it's going to stop right there. It does some sort of mathematical computation, okay, on either side. So the sender sends, does some math, whatever it is, sends it. And then on the other side, the receiver does the same kind of math, all right? And if it comes out with the same information, hey, we're good to go. But if it comes out with a different information, well, then there's something wrong. That's where the ACKs and NACKs and everything else comes in, okay? So this is your FCS, this is your error detection, and this is your type field. That's it. That's all they want you to know. This could be a question, a multiple choice question, okay? But doubtful that there's going to be every last thing in here. And again, some of these are not even used. Normal things like IPv4 packets, ARP packets, and let's say MPLS, as MPLS is included in ICND2. Those may be in there as well. They may show you a Wireshark capture, and then based on the output, you may have to choose, okay, what type of packet are we dealing with? That's it. I think that's as far as it's going to go. But again, you may want to Google, or in the book, if there's I didn't see a table, but in the book, if there's a table, or you can Google this. It's right there. The information is there at your fingertips. Okay? So you can see the information. Just look for the type field in the layer 2 address, and it'll give you everything you need. Okay? But just be familiar that it's in the header, the type field in the header, and the frame check sequence that it has for error checking is in the trailer. It's in the trailer. Okay? And that's all. It's a little thing I wanted to talk about, but now you go ahead. Now you have it. Now you have it. All right? So I will see you in the next.